Okay, this is the Skyland. This is one of them that was coming down the track. If you watch some of my other videos and stuff. There you go. Skyland has a full seat in the back. You can see. Okay, and this was the Golf Oil one if you watch my other video. Golf Oil 120. There you go. Look at that. Is that all the right colors, right? Yeah, all the right colors. The whole inside. I love this one. Golf Oil. Cool. Wow. You can see how old some of this is. Get to see the whole engine here. Look at that. Cool, huh? Here's a Super Cub. If you watch some of the videos, you saw this one coming down the line too. As it was coming to park. Look at these tires. Cool, huh? Great big round bubbles. Like somebody blew it up. Oh, this one's got a chain inside. Cool. Neat, huh? Not nice. All right. Have to see inside. All the gears up there. Neat, huh? All right, and this one's a Cub. A Piper Cub. Ooh, this one's really different. Wow. Look at that. Okay, looks like a two-seater. Alright, got everything there. Not too much to it, huh? Couple of slim ones. Okay. Wow, this is kind of cool. Neat. Oh my goodness. I don't know about having all these parts hanging outside like that and still driving it. You've seen this one come down the line. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. All right. There you go. Couple of nice planes.